Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and today we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the next evolution of AV receivers, the Pioneer SPH-EVO107DAB. Let's check it out. Firstly, we have the main wiring harness. This is used for numerous connections like the vehicle's constant and accessory power, earth, illumination circuit, vehicle speed signal and speaker wires amongst others. We have the AV harness which connects to external amplifiers, cameras, auxiliary input and more. External microphone to run to the top central area of the hood lining near the windscreen. USB extension allowing you to run your USB access point to a preferred location in the vehicle. Steering wheel remote control connection cable. This can be utilised where more traditional resistive-based steering wheel controls can be manually connected. GPS antenna and associated mounting components. A GPS antenna is required for all wireless AV receivers and requires a clear signal through the vehicle's windshield. The Pioneer and DAB1 digital on-glass antenna for digital tuner reception. Adjustable screen mounting. This articulated mount allows for fast, easy tilt adjustment. Screen mounting spacer. This allows you to extend the screen's mounting forward 20mm to clear any dash overhang you may have. A wide selection of mounting screws, allowing for various mounting options and requirements. A quick start guide to assist you in getting to know your new Pioneer SPH-EVO107DAB. The complete user manual can be found on the product page at www.pioneer.com.au. You have the singled-in chassis of the AV receiver, and last but not least, the capacitive screen assembly. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the new Pioneer SPH-EVO107DAB 10.1-inch wireless AV receiver. For more information, visit your nearest authorised Pioneer retailer or our website today.